Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm a little bit obsessed with indie brand makeup and subscription boxes. Speaking of subscription boxes, this is my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for July. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you enjoy the content. Also, there's a little join button right down there that you can click to get information about becoming a channel member. It really does help me as a creator so much, and thank you to all of my channel members. If you're unfamiliar with the OG Ipsy Glam Bag, it is a $13 monthly makeup beauty subscription where you'll get a small makeup cosmetics bag and then 5 travel try-me size items. Occasionally we get real lucky and we get full-size products, y'all. I think it's a great value, and a lot of what I take in my travel bag or my overnight bags is typically my Ipsy items. I do also think that the regular Ipsy is a great way if you are a newbie to makeup, or if you're somebody like me that you really like to test and try different products from different brands, but you don't want to spend $40 for a full size. You can get a sample or a travel size in your Ipsy Glam Bag, test it out, and then if you want to invest, you can. Now, our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is 5 full-size products each and every single month for $28. I'm gonna dive in. I've already opened the box, but I have not peeked, and this is so generously gifted to me from Ipsy. Also, Ipsy, since Ipsy and Boxy are now one and the same, can you just be called Ipsy Charm? Just give us one subscription, okay? Please, thank you. But thank you to Ipsy for gifting. We're gonna dive in. This month's theme for July 2022 is Soak It All In. The sun, the shimmer, the SPF. Super important. And it says this month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool dip or self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. And then of course, this is my Ipsy PR package or my Ipsy Open Studios package. And my goal with this particular box with my PR package at the beginning of the month is basically, this is a spoiler. It's a spoiler for you to maybe find out what you could get in your own bag, or for me, because I could also get it in my paid for bag. So this is a very quick unboxing just to give you an idea of what you could be receiving. Later in the month when I get my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag, we take everything I'm keeping from this package and everything I'm keeping from my paid for package and we do a look. Also, nothing goes to waste here on my channel. We do pay it forward Fridays around here. So everything that I do receive that I know I'm not gonna open or use, it gets gifted to you guys. So I'm gonna dive in. I'm gonna grab the regular OG Glam Bag first. This is so dang cute, y'all. It is a beautiful aqua color with a beautiful starfish zipper pull. I like the texture of it. It reminds me of water. And I'm a Pisces, so I'm down with it. I'm down with all the water that I can be in. Okay, honey. So first up is a Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. These blurring primers are not always my preference. I do have very dry, dehydrated skin, so of course this is going to go in my pay it forward pile. Next up is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Bigger Batter Volumizing Mascara. Of course it is a mini, and y'all know Mama's obsessed with mascara, so we're going to be selfish and we're going to keep that one for ourselves. Next, I feel a 2B thing. This is a Gold Fatten MD Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. I will actually keep this and put it in my travel bag. Next up is a Prestige, I don't think that I've heard of this brand, a Prestige Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Smoky Green. Oh! If you're new here, green makeup is my absolute favorite, and it looks to be a very deep kind of grungy olivey green, which is kind of what I have on my eyes today. Excited about this, definitely keeping that. And then last in our little OG Ipsy Glam Bag is a Kinship Blur and Brighten Energizing Brightening Eye Cream. I think I'm also going to hold on to this because I have a Kinship, the Super Melt Jelly Mask or whatever. I love this. It is a beautiful product, so I'm going to keep this and put it in my overnight bag. So we have an eye cream, we have our moisturizer, so skincare, and then we have 3 makeup items. I think especially for those of you that love a makeup heavy bag, you would probably like the assortment this month. I'm seeing some really good stuff in our full size bag, y'all. So we're going to dive in next to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. You will get a coordinating, not matchy-matchy, but a coordinating bag. I really like to take these for traveling and things like that. And first up in here, I see a Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. Whoa, honey. As much as I love SPF and I'm obsessed with it, I swear by it and tell you guys to make sure that you use SPF and hydrate yourself, okay? I don't have acne and I don't need any kind of oil control at all because I am literally dry as the Sahara. So this will also go in my pay it forward pile. Next up is a Vamigas Rose Infused Lip Oil. Ooh, that sounds nice. Also a brand I've never heard of. It does say that they are cruelty-free on the back. I just want to see what this looks like. Oh, it is a duo. I don't know if any of you got the duo of the Cab lip oils. They are fantastic. I use the lemon one all the time. I am not going to open these just yet, but I really think these are beautiful colors. And of course, since they are lip oils, it's going to be more sheer, so I don't think it will be something that will be overwhelming to anybody. They do feel quite heavy and quite well made. And it does say Rose Infused. I love anything rose. Of course, if you don't like rose, these ain't for you. I will update you guys on these though. Of course, we will test them out when I get my paid for box. Next up is something by Item Beauty. I'm obsessed with their lip oil. It is fantastic. This is, I don't actually know, Item Beauty Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer. That sounds great. I love their packaging as well. I will also note too, especially for those of us that do have dexterity issues, they have pull tabs on all of their products. I think that is fantastic. And I wish all brands would do that. So of course, we'll test this out later in the month. Next up is a Volition Screen Time Hydra Mist. And it says with green tea and rosehip oil. I will definitely try this. I know that the jury's still out on whether or not things protect us from the screen, from blue light and stuff like that. I just like the hydration. I think they feel good on the skin, especially when you live in North Carolina and it's 105 degrees outside. Moving along. And then last but not least is a Wing Me Ambitious Violet eyeshadow palette, another brand I have never heard of. They are also cruelty-free and says they are vegan. This says the Ambitious Violet is inspired by the Lebanese-American poet Khalil Gibran, hopefully I'm saying that right, who promoted rebellion, hope, and purpose. The palette features a signature collection of 8 wildflower-infused neutral shades with pops of color reflecting the essence of nature's bounty. That is what the unit carton looks like. It just kind of looks like little paint splatters. I do like the color of it. It feels pretty cheap, not gonna lie, very lightweight. Oh, very beautiful. And it is what it says. It is some beautiful neutrals with some pops of purple in here. And because I already know that I have products like this and I have palettes like this, and you guys know I really try to not be wasteful here, I'm also going to go ahead and put this in my Pay It Forward Friday. So we never know when Pay It Forward Friday is going to be, but it might be right around the corner. That is it, beauties. What did you think of the assortment so far? What do you expect or hope to get in your box? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.